In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to track a lost or stolen phone in the USA. So the first thing is, I'm very sorry about your phone. I know it's very important for you, so let's try and see how we could trace and get your phone back. Now, the first thing is, I want you to get hold of a laptop or a PC or your friend's smartphone. Anything would do. Now, once you have the device, just get onto google.com and do a search for Find My Device. Click on the first link. You are going to get directed to this page on Google Find My Device. So Google Find My Device is an application or a website that has latest features about tracking a lost or stolen Android phone. So here you could just click on sign in, and you need to sign in with the email address which is on your lost or stolen phone. So after you log in, this is going to be the dashboard, and immediately the application is going to trace your phone to a specific location. So if you zoom in totally to see which part of the earth your phone is located or was located last, you could maybe get the address or try and locate the area, get to the place and get your phone back. Now, maybe you were at the restaurant and you left your phone out there. Maybe you were at the theater. Not a problem. Whatever the case may be, you could just rush back to this place and you could try and get your phone. Now, by chance, if you do not get your phone, what you could do is secure your device, which means if you click on this option, you will be signed out of Google account on the device, and after the device is secured, you can still locate it. If you do not get your phone once you're at this location, maybe somebody's trying to steal your phone. So if you use this option, your device is not even going to get switched off. And these days, what happens is that Android phones have inbuilt batteries. So it is very difficult to, open the back cover and, remove the battery to disconnect it or make it offline. All right, so you have a higher chance to get your phone back. Another option is to play sound. So if you click on this option, even if your phone is in silent mode, your phone is going to ring. Now, by chance, if you do not get your phone at this location, but still you see it on maps out here, it means that somebody has stolen your phone and very quickly, disconnected your phone, opened the back cover and removed the battery and everything. That's actually very difficult, but they did it somehow. Okay, what you could do is click on factory reset. You click on factory reset and all your data that is synced with Google is going to get deleted from the phone once it comes online. But if you come to this place and your phone is still online, you're not getting it, and then you click on this option, what is going to happen is your phone is going to get erased immediately. So I hope this helps and you get your phone back. If you got some value from my video for today, give it a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.